Alright, today'll be the first day I've ever done like this vlog type with the camera actually facing me. But I've seen a lot of people do it, a lot of people I watch on YouTube, that's how they do it. So I'm going to attempt it today. This video will probably be in a few different parts, but we've got some stuff to do to the bike. One of them I actually done yesterday after we opened up gifts from friends and stuff. And this is actually my old back seat. See how it was yellow, and the person I bought the bike from dyed it black and it's been peeling. So a buddy of mine and his wife got me the back seat, a new back seat, and then they got me some levers. So I'm going to go ahead and put the levers on today. And I also have a new chain and sprocket kit to go on for my wife. And it'll be in this video, but I'll have to do it a different day because it's Christmas Eve and I don't want to be out here all evening because it's the first time I've done a chain like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get the bike uncovered and I'll show you the levers and we'll get them put on. Alright, we got the bike uncovered. I'm going to go ahead and show you the seat that I replaced. So you can see the difference on it. A lot cleaner looking, and actually I don't know if it's because they painted this one, but it's not really soft at all and it's not really padded at all. This one is actually really soft and it's got a lot more padding in it. So I had to do a little bit of modification to the plastic on the underneath side of it. So later in the video I'll end up showing you that. What I had to do was not too bad, just took a Dremel. But for this part, for today, here's the factory ones. And here's what I'm going to be replacing them with. So it's the shorty levers and how they come in, and they're adjustable, black with the anodized red for the scheme I'm going to want to go through with this bike. And so I'm going to go ahead and probably do the front brake first, see how that goes, and then I'll kind of walk you through the clutch one. Alright, I got the brake on. I'm not going to go ride it or anything right now because it's really cold, and like I said, I got a chain to put on. But I spun the front wheel, made sure this stopped it, so it should be good. I might have to mess with the adjusting thing because it's got, I think it's 1 through 6. Yeah, 1 through 6 to bring it out or in, and this is the closest one, which still feels pretty good with me so far. But when I get gloves on and actually ride, I'll be able to adjust it a little more. But it gives you somewhat of a riding position to see the difference on them. See how long this is compared to how short and how it comes in. This one I can just barely go up like that. Clutch, I have to go up and over to be able to pull it back. So I'm going to go ahead and knock this one out and then show you what it looks like. Alright, we got the levers on. I'm going to test the clutch one. So I'll jump this bike off because my battery's not doing so well because I can't ride it. So got the jumper cables hooked up, so we'll see if it's gonna fire up. Sometimes this works, sometimes it don't. Not sure if you can hear me, but we're going to let that get up to warm, running temperature, and then we're going to test out the lever. Alright, I did say I was going to go ahead and show you what I had to do to the seat to make it work. And I'll show you right quick. It's still a little stiff. I may Dremel a little more. But one thing I had to do, and I noticed that because I had my other one, which I'm pretty sure is the factory one, this bike used to be yellow from what the previous owner told me. You had to put these mounts on, which they came with it, just to take that bolt, line it up with that. I had to, you can see where I dremeled this piece down to a little flat right there, and I also dremeled sides right here and here, because it's still a little stiff fitting it right through here, so I may dremel a little more to the plastic or bend these just a little. And I also had to cut the plastic mold off of the metal right here for it to latch in. But you can see it, if I can get your position right. It does fit, it's just you got to finesse it a little bit forward and then it fits in. But I'm pretty sure this one's an eBay one, so I mean, the one I was looking at before they got this one was, I'm pretty sure, like 29 bucks. That's better price than having this one recovered. So just a little bit of Dremel work works just fine. Alright, we got it